COVID-19, many families in our area have lost their jobs, meaning they no longer have a flowing income. Because of this, a lot of them are not able to afford most groceries and supplies. Our app, Giv&Get, will help these families put food on the table while also working with organizations and donors to prevent food waste.
The first time I ever volunteered was at a food bank, and ever since food insecurity has been an issue I care deeply about. Food insecurity affects nearly 10% of Americans and many kids in the US as well. My friends and I decided we wanted to help solve this problem through our app Giv&Get. We wanted to help people affected by food insecurity and many more.
Before the COVID-19 pandemic hit, nearly 1 in 10 households in Massachusetts face food insecurity. However, since the pandemic has hit the United States, this number has risen to 1 in 6 homes, with children being the most vulnerable. In addition to this, 1 million people have lost their jobs in light of the pandemic, and several small, family-owned businesses were forced to close their doors.
After studying our competition that focused on a much more national level and even revolve around the whole country, we realized that we should work in our town and our neighboring town. Working locally will provide more accurate results, quicker commutes, and overall safer transportation for all users.
We wanted to make sure that our app would give users access to the information they needed most as efficiently as possible, because hunger is a time-sensitive issue.
Getting food in times of need can be extremely difficult, and COVID-19 only made this all the more obvious. That's why Giv&Get allows users to find locations nearest them where they can get food or give to others in need.
Our app features a location-based system with directions, ensuring that our users will be able to donate and receive food safely.
With a location sensor connected directly to Google Maps, all the user has to do is click a button and they are instantly shown markers for the locations nearest them, custom to what they're looking for.
Giv&Get aims to reach its potential audience through the use of social media and partnerships with community-based organizations. We plan to reach out to elementary schools to increase awareness of our platform, and we also plan to form partnerships with small businesses and local restaurants. Giv&Get is a non-profit, so we will not be collecting any profit, but we do plan to raise funds to donate to these small businesses through setting up community-based events and reaching out for donations.
To make Giv&Get a reality, our team worked together to make sure that this app could be as accessible as possible for the community and easy to use for each user's wants and needs.
As head designer of Giv&Get, going into creating this app, I wanted to make it really fun, extravagant, and colorful. But I later realized this would extremely hinder the user experience, and I thus changed the design into a much more minimalistic and user-friendly one. Our minimalistic interface allows users to always give or get exactly what they need to.
After implementing our app, we can make sure that everyone who has access to the internet can easily be connected with their local community, whether to give or receive help.
Our team went through multiple cycles of testing to ensure ease of usability for the customer, as well as guarantee it provided the most relevant information.
Our team hopes to bring people together, and we also hope that Giv&Get will be the small stepping stone towards ending world hunger.